Yeah, hi guys. I was driving on Model 3 autopilot and I was trying to see whether what happens if I don't apply the force on the steering wheel. Let's check it out what happens. I'm going to 45 miles per hour and it first color alert came up. Apply light force to steering wheel and it started blinking, it's blinking more. And second alert, you'll get a third, fourth with the beep. And fifth alert, it says autopilot unavailable for rest of your drive. So drive manually. You can see the speed. I was 45 miles per hour and slowly reducing. I took care of. So it usually like it slow downs and then maybe stops on the road and then says yeah, the rest of my drive was I couldn't put the autopilot mode, so it was all manual. It was not good drive. Yeah, it was a manual driving. I was manual driving, but I saw the cruise control came up, so at least the cruise control works when autopilot mode is not there. One suggestion I like to give for Tesla and Elon Musk to add one feature that when the driver doesn't hold the steering wheel and the autopilot stops to zero speed, then maybe they can alert the parking lights on so that it's a caution for the behind cars and they can stop instead of crashing, dashing.